In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Sheets. Whether you're completely new to spreadsheets or you simply want to organize your work, budget, or projects more efficiently, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Chrome browser and sign into your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on the Google Apps icon at the top right corner, the little grid of dots. From the menu that appears, scroll down and select Sheets. This will instantly take you to the Google Sheets dashboard. If you prefer, you can also open Google Drive, click on Plus New, then choose Google Sheets and select Blank Spreadsheet. Make sure you follow along carefully so you don't miss any helpful details. Next, you'll see a blank sheet along with several templates like expense trackers, planners, and invoices. These templates are super handy when you want something pre-formatted. For now, click Blank to start fresh. At the top left, click on Untitled Spreadsheet and type in a name for your file. If you want to keep things organized, click the small folder icon next to it and choose the Google Drive folder where you'd like the file stored. Google Sheets saves automatically, so as long as you're connected to the internet, you never have to worry about losing your work. Now let's explore the worksheet area. At the bottom, you'll see Sheet 1. Think of each sheet as a page within your larger document. To add more sheets, just click the plus icon. To rename a sheet, double-click its name, type your new label, and press Enter. You can even right-click the Sheet tab to duplicate it, move it, copy it to another spreadsheet, or change its tab color. Super useful for organization. If you need more control, click the small arrow next to the sheet name to see all your sheet management options. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your internet connection is stable, give your files meaningful names, and use different sheet colors when managing large projects. Doing this can save you time and prevent confusion later on. Once you've set up your sheets, you can start entering data, formatting cells, creating formulas, and building charts. After that, you'll be able to manage information clearly and efficiently. It's also a great idea to explore the Help menu if you ever get stuck. Google Sheets has built-in guides that can answer quick questions and keep you moving forward. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to use Google Sheets confidently and organize your work like a pro. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with someone who might be learning Google Sheets too. Why not make someone's day easier?